Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for the noise back there. The 3D printing is printing in overtime. I got a lot of things coming for you in these videos, so stay tuned with what we're building and making back here. Just a quick one today. If you have, like I found in my experience trying to boot Batacera from a USB drive, I never could really get it to work in some of my, I'll call it OEM systems, like HP systems, Dell systems, things like that. I'm repurposing to make into different devices. I'll link those video cards up here below as gaming systems. So I just wanted to throw this out there. One thing I've learned over and over, and this probably applies to any OS, not just Batacera. So if you have trouble getting your system to boot from USB, especially with EFI mode and not being able to, with secure boot, you know, all these security things, skip all that stuff, do it the easy way like I did, and just flash the drive. So what you need is a cable like this, this cable right here, and it's just a little, let me see if I can get it in view for you, a little SATA type connector. So you could plug that in, plug this into your PC. You can download Balena Etcher, which I have a video on. I'll see if I can link that one up here somewhere so you can see that. And just flash the OS directly to the drive. Take this back apart, move it into your PC, plug it like you would, plug it in normally, just like you would when you're installing a new hard drive, boot it up, and it should be good to go. So just a quick workaround I wanted to share with you guys. I really get tired of messing with secure boot and, you know, all the pieces that are in the way, so to speak, of us hacking things. Now, don't get me wrong, those have their purpose, they're good for other things, but when we just want to hack and play around with systems, I just try to make it as fun as possible, remove as many barriers, and that's the way I do this. So I just wanted to get this video out there. I know it's super short. Check the other links I'm listing, I'll put them down in the description too. But yeah, check it out, and happy hacking. We'll see you next time.